Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you two different ways how to block spam text messages directly on your iPhone. Let's look at the first option, and maybe the easiest option, by heading into the messages section here. Let's select this message here and let's say these are spam and I want to block them. So we'll tap into it to open up the message. So we'll tap on the name at the top here, and then once this comes up, the information about them, we'll select the information here. Now you'll have these different options to choose from, and at the bottom here you'll see block this caller. When you hit the block this caller, you'll get this pop up and you'll simply click block contact, and then this contact will be blocked. So that's one way of blocking people on your iPhone. Now let's head over to the settings to see the second method. Now within the settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to the Messages app, and let's tap into that. Once we're in the Messages app, you want to scroll all the way down until you get to message filtering, and you can see filter unknown senders, sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So we can tap that on. So to see what that actually does on our iPhone, let's head back to the messaging app. Now with the messaging app back up, as you can see here in the top left hand corner, you can see filters, so we can tap onto that. Now as you can see in this filters section, you have the messages filtered into different boxes. So now with that all tapped on, all your messages will go to the unknown senders box here, and then what you can do is just open the known senders list and then leave this open, and then you will not be bothered with the unknown senders and them spam text messages. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.